So today I'm volunteering at the Surf City project, whipping out these little pins. As you can see, we got this cool stamper right here. And what we gotta do is put a couple of these together for the Butcher Brown concert. So while we're doing so, let me show you how this thing works. You got the back of the pin. You're gonna come over here. The back of the pin usually got that little safety needle in there. You're gonna make sure that it's face down, like so. Pop it in that side. You're gonna push this thing over here to the other side. You're gonna get the top of the pin, that nice shiny piece there. The bottom of the pin can come in plastic or in metal. I've seen it in both. So the differences look like this. Here we go. All right, so with that, you're gonna take a clear piece of plastic and you're gonna put it over the piece of paper that's with the print that you would like to advertise. Pop it in there like that. Here we go, just like so. We're gonna slide it over. There's some pins in here. You're gonna make sure that they're not lined up. You're gonna press this down, pop. That's gonna bring the pen and the paper up into the top of the machine, or the press, however you'd like to call that. We're gonna switch it over. We're gonna push this like that. And we are going to, now you're gonna line the pins up. You're gonna come down in there and pop it one more time, slide it out. And lo and behold, we've got the Surf City project pin going on. So here we go, Butcher Brown concert's on its way up. One more time, just in case you didn't get it the first time. By the way, this is a volunteer opportunity for anybody who would like to give it a shot. Little pin, backside down. Push it over there like that. Clear plastic, paper advertisement. Into the machine. Of course, you want to try to center it. Definitely helps. There's the press. To the other side. All the way down. And out we come. Surf City project. As you can see, we've got an abundance of those little guys going on. Seeing you out there. Look forward to Youth learning to surf in San Francisco, California through City Surf Project. Thumbs up.